First things first, gather the ingredients. For the pasta salad, you'll need 2 cups of your favorite pasta, a can of tuna, half a cup of diced red bell pepper, half a cup of diced cucumber, a 1/4 cup of finely chopped red onion, and a 1/4 cup of black olives. And for the dressing, you'll need a 1/4 cup of olive oil, 2 tablespoons of white wine vinegar, 1 teaspoon of Dijon mustard, 1 minced garlic clove, salt and pepper to taste, and finally, a handful of fresh parsley. The journey to pasta perfection begins with boiling the pasta. Fill a large pot with water, add a pinch of salt, and bring it to a rolling boil. Once boiling, add the pasta and cook until it's al dente, which means it's cooked but still has a bit of a bite. While the pasta is boiling, drain the can of tuna and flake it with a fork. Dice the red bell pepper, cucumber, and red onion. Slice the black olives. Now it's time to whip up the dressing. In a small bowl, whisk together the olive oil, white wine vinegar, Dijon mustard, minced garlic, salt, and pepper. Once the pasta is cooked, drain it and rinse under cold water to stop the cooking process. This also helps to cool the pasta for your salad. Combine the cooled pasta, flaked tuna, diced red bell pepper, cucumber, red onion, and sliced black olives in a large bowl. Pour over the dressing and toss everything together until well combined. Garnish with fresh parsley and voila, your pasta salad with tuna is ready to be savored. Remember, the beauty of a pasta salad with tuna lies in its versatility. Feel free to add other ingredients like cherry tomatoes, feta cheese, or even some boiled eggs. The world of pasta salad is your oyster, so don't be afraid to experiment and make it your own. So the next time you're craving a hearty, light, and delicious meal, remember this easy-to-follow guide to making a delectable pasta salad with tuna. Your taste buds will surely thank you.